to everyone. How are you? This is Joanna. Today is Monday, and I want to share with you my grocery haul and about 3 orders that I had come in. One of them came in last week, and I have some more coming in probably tomorrow and Wednesday. I went to the grocery store today not to get anything. If you remember years ago how in some of my videos I'd say no real food, that was kind of the case again today, minus a couple of things, but I did want to get some drinks. I forgot to get the lemonade and I forgot to get my milk. And it didn't matter because I'm going back out anyway, and I probably couldn't have carried any of that with everything that I have. So I'm going to share with you what I got. I need to place another Torani order, even though I placed one not too long ago, because I need more cane sugar syrup. And I say it, but I never do it. I need to order those 2 at a time because you've heard me say that I go through that one. From the Monin side, I would like more pistachio and their French vanilla. And from the Torani side, I would also like some more vanilla bean. And I want to try another one. I usually get the ones that I know will be a staple, and I try a new one. The last new one that I think I've tried out of my new ones so far is the chocolate chip cookie, which I used this morning with my Arandio. And I do know that some of the Nespressos are weaker. I think the Soleo for me has been the weakest one that I've ordered. But even with that being said, to me, all of the Nespresso coffees are strong and bitter. Even that one, I haven't gotten one yet that I think I could drink straight. And I've even tried adding maybe 2 to 4 ounces of hot water. I like them all with the addition of milk. But I did want to get a big bottle of this one as well. And since I haven't placed an order yet, I knew that when I was going to the store, I would look to see. These were the last 2 they had. Now, the vanilla is one that I will use. I like the vanilla bean from Torani better than this as far as the vanilla taste. And I like the Monin French vanilla. What I use this particular vanilla for is if I don't want to use my cane sugar, but I do want to soften the taste of something, that's where this vanilla comes in. So I really do like it for that. I also got this. I think this was supposed to be 5 for $5, which made it $1 a bag. So that's why I picked that up. And in addition to the lemonade and the milk, I had went out to get teas. So I wanted to get this one. I generally get the sweet and the extra sweet. And in the Pure Leaf brand, I have not tried their green tea, but I have tried the Gold Peak and I like that. But they only have the Gold Peak available in 6-packs now instead of the bottle that I used to get. And they were out of the packs of, I think, the Gold Peak tea. So I did go ahead and get this right here. And here's the funny thing. Both of these brands are extremely popular. The Gold Peak 6-pack is $1 less than the Pure Leaf. The Pure Leaf is $8.99. The Gold Peak is $7.99. I don't know what that's about. Sometimes when you get the single bottles, they cost the same price. But I do like both of these. Even though I still prefer my brewed teas, these 2 and the Milo Sweet and Extra Sweet seem to be the teas that I like. So I do still need a gallon of the Milos, and I do still need a couple of half gallons of the Prairie Farms lemonade. So in addition to that, I went ahead and just got some Smart Water. And guys, I got back on my ice cream kick, so I'll share this with you, and then I'll put these up. What I did not know, though, was that Baskin-Robbins was having a sale, and these little containers here were 2 for $7. So they had no pistachio in the store. So I don't know how long this little sale has been going on, but that would explain it. They didn't have any pistachio or any of their vanilla, and I don't know what else may have been missing. So I had originally picked up the Jamocha Almond Fudge. I really do favor this one when we had a Baskin-Robbins here. I would go in store. They had a fudge brownie treat with this really tasty hot fudge. You'd get a brownie, that hot fudge, and you got to pick 2 ice creams. I would get the Jamocha Almond Fudge, and then I think they had a marshmallow type ice cream. And if I didn't get that, I would always get vanilla, or I would try chocolate chip. But you got 2 ice creams, and I always made sure one of them was Jamocha Almond Fudge. And at that time, I did not know they sold it in store. So because they did not have the pistachio, I went ahead and chose this cotton candy They did have a strawberry there, but I kind of wanted the odd ones. I did not know that they had their bubblegum ice cream, so I definitely got one of those. And then for the sake of a fourth one, I went ahead and got the chocolate chip. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I got another one of those ones I got last time. Hold on, I'll put this up and I'll come back and share with you. Yes, this one right here. I finished off this one today, guys. This was really good. And it has pistachio nuts in it. The Llewellyn, or whatever that one was, I do want to try another one of those, but their pistachio had no nuts in it, and I kind of like that to chew on. But these were really good, so I definitely got another one of these. Another item that I wanted to get when I went out was I wanted to try these Eggo Grab and Go waffles, and this is strawberry. I did not see that they were in flavors in the store. I did not know if they came in plain or not. I'll find out later, but they had this one available, so I got this one. And then I'll probably have this little thing here tonight, a little mac and cheese bowl. I was about to get some of the P.F. Chang chicken, but like I said, I had enough, and I'm going back out Wednesday. And then I wanted to get some smoked sausage. And then I went ahead and got another oat milk because I needed another one, and I got the extra creamy because it's been a while since I've had this plain extra creamy. I've been picking up the vanilla, and I have been picking up that Oatly full fat, which again, those are my favorite three. These are the three I will continue to bounce between. It's just that with this one and the Oatly one, I get more of the coffee flavor and my syrups if that's what I'm looking for. The vanilla one, I'm going to assume has its own sugars in it because they have a zero vanilla. A zero sugar vanilla. And to me, I don't know. I don't mind normal sugars and things. I don't want anything that's zero sugar unless I run across a coffee drink that I want to make that specifically calls for zero sugar oat milk, then I won't use that. But I do really, really like all three of these, and I just think that the vanilla one, gives a little added sweetness, maybe a little added flavor, just a tiny spin on the flavor. That's really not super duper noticeable. So I'm going to put this up, and I'm going to share with you guys my orders that came in. Those little waffles said made with pearl sugar. I don't know what that's about. So here we have some nail stamping goodies, and I did do my nails today, so please excuse this. They are not finished, if you can see that. I have to do a second cleaning. I did a little stamping, and I did the first run of trying to clean them because I have to get down in there with a brush. As you can see, I've only just washed my hands and put on lotion so far, but I'm trying to get them together. But I did order some new stamping plates. I was watching a stamping video. These are older, but I didn't know they'd be so small. Look at that. Because the normal stamping plates are a little bit bigger. So this right here is my Maniology order for what I ordered. I ordered their Hearts and Chains box. That's a normal size stamping plate. And from the Yours company, they sent me a scraper. They even sent a little pen. That was so nice. I really do like this. I won't take this to work because I like this pen. I'll keep this for home use. But look at this, guys. The little things on there is exactly what the plate looks like, because most of them, they just all have a case. So I'll pull these out of here for you to see. So these are the size of the little card, the little stamping card. And I got this one for these snowflakes and mostly these words. This one, I think they did a look. I didn't realize I had ordered this plate, but I did like a look that I saw done with it. So I hope you can see that. This one I ordered specifically for this print because I do have animal print, but I don't have it where it's mixed like that. And it's this section right in here that I want to use. And then this one right here, I really favored this right here and those other flowers. So that is what that looks like. And again, I'll try to hold that so you can see the little detail. So again, if you like nail stamping, plenty on Instagram and YouTube. And then over here, I'll share what I got. I think here is a little nail clipper, maybe. These are the two stamping polishes. This one is in spikes, and this one is in pumps. And you can also use those as nail polish. And this was the Hearts and Chains box. I think this came out before I redid my subscription. And then by the time I did my subscription, I got the latest box. When you do a subscription, you will always get the latest box. If you go back and find a box that you like, once you are a subscriber, you can see past boxes and get those. So if I had have joined when this box came out, this is a box I would have got, but I joined after. So I had to get that particular box and then wait until I could see the past boxes, and I picked this box. And if you want, I'll show you really quickly what I used on my nails tonight, but I have not cleaned the plate up yet because I had just finished my nails. So here really quickly, I used my liquid leather polish, the one that I just got. I used my Seche Vite as a top coat, my new bottle, and this is the Mint Mundo de Una stamping polish. Now these cannot be used as a polish, they can only be used as a stamping polish, so hopefully you can see that there. I did use two different images here. I used this image right here on my thumb and ring finger, and then this is everywhere else. If you can see that, I don't know if it'll let me, because I see my camera's going in and out, but that one right there, and then that right there. And since my nails are so short, I don't have a lot of coverage. And then the final thing that I got, guys, I got one of my big ticket items, this right here. So I don't know what I'm gonna put in here yet. I'm gonna open it up because I think there may be a recipe book in here, because I was looking at the one that was out there at Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm excited for what I can make in here, because y'all know my plight with this stove that I have here. And I've been wanting to make some real food, like some fried chicken, some ribs, and a roast. And now I'm going to be able to do that, plus a few other things. I'm just glad that I waited and researched what I wanted, because I knew I wanted to try an air fryer. And I'm glad I didn't get one when they first came out, because we know things evolve. There's no telling what's going to come out after this one. But I am very happy to have this. So I'm going to try to look at this right here online and different things and see what I can come up with. I'll have to clear my counter bar area off of everything that's up there. So it's just the coffee maker and the blender, which will give me room for this. And right now I'm just going to keep it in the box until I get that area cleared. And I don't know what I want to make in here first. I don't know if I want to do a roast. I did see someone made a Chinese themed meal. They did some kind of chicken and rice and broccoli. I might try that. So now, instead of looking up information on this Ninja Speedi on YouTube, I will be looking up recipes and see what people are making with it. So I'm very happy to have this, and I do think this is all that I have to share with you today. I'm watching everyone's video on the new lemon pound cake and that other pound cake body care set from Bath & Body Works. I did order mine. It comes tomorrow. And I've learned enough to know that people are loving the lemon one, and the one that I was hoping was going to smell like pink petal tea cake may not. No one is saying that it does. No one is saying that it's in the family of that. So I hope that they do make one, but people are really, really loving this lemon one. They're saying it's different, and I do have the Tutti Dulce lemon, and I also have our Bright Snowdrop lemon. And I used to have a lemon vanilla lotion. I either used it up or gave it away, but I'm still excited nonetheless. I did two orders. One was the mist, the cream, and the lotion, and then I backtracked that same day and did a gel order. So I got a second of the one that people were hoping was like the pink petal tea cake lotion. I don't think I intended to do that, but I will give y'all my take on that when it comes. I've been watching everybody else's take on it so far, and I really like what they're saying regardless. So until the next time, everyone have a fantastic Monday.